Okay, this is pages 11 to 13 practice questions. Here's a trapezoid. Trapezoids between the two parallel lines, they add up to 180. So this would have to be 89 degrees because 89 plus 91 equals 180, right? Parallel line between those two, right? Same thing here. Parallel line, 180 minus 27. Let me use my calculator for that one. Can't do that in my head for some reason right now. 180 minus 27. 153. So this would have to be 153. So angle Q, 89. Angle S, 153. That's number 2. Number 4. Now this is isosceles trapezoid, so some things are the same. So if this is 146, the base angle that pairs with it is also 146. But I could find this one by doing what we just did in the very last question, right? Because we got parallel line between the two parallel lines. 180 minus 146 is 34, all right? So that means this is 34 degrees, and the base angles are equal, so this is 34 degrees. So W, 34, X, 34, and Z, 146. And that's question number 4. Question number 6. Okay, these are again between the two parallel lines. They add up to, let's see, we just did that twice in a row. What should they add up to? Oh, I know, 180. So these should add up to 180. So I'm going to write it over here. 9x plus 2 and the 5x minus 4 together make 180. The 9 and the 5 combine our like terms. That's 14x. The positive 2 and the negative 4 make a minus 2. Add 2 to both sides. 14x equals 182. And then 182 divided by 14 is 13. So x equals 13. The question says find angle B. That's this one. So we'll put 9 times 13, which is our x, plus 2, right? Just use that. 9 times 13 is 117 plus 2 is 119. So this is 119. Okay, so angle B, 119 degrees. That's the answer to number 6. Number 7. These base angles are equal to each other. This is not between the parallel lines this direction. This is next to each other. The base angles along a parallel line. So that means they're equal to each other. 8x minus 16 is equal to 6x plus 20. Okay, so let's subtract our 6x. Negative 6, oh, wait a minute. 8 minus, that would be 2x minus 16 equals 20. Add that 16 to both sides. We get 2x equals 36, so x is 18. Okay, so now we can need to find these angles here, so I put that 18 right there. 8 times 18 minus 16, so 8 times 18 is 144 minus 16 is 128. So the actual angle right here is 128 degrees, which means this one is the same. And then along and between the two parallel lines, right, along this line between the two parallel lines, adds up to 180. 180 minus 128 is 52. So this would be 52 as well. I did that last step in my head. I hope I did that math correct. Angle M, 128. Angle N, 128. Angle O, 52, and angle P, 52. Again, hopefully I did my math right. Number 9. Now this angle is the same as this one over here. These are the same, so I'm going to also make this 7x plus 2. That way I can do these two angles along here, add up to 180. So I'm going to do 7x plus 2 plus 25x minus 14 equals 180. I'm sorry about that sneeze. 7x plus 7 plus 25 is 5. Let's see, 25, 32. Plus 2 and minus 14 is minus 12 equals 180. Add 12 to both sides. And I get 32x equals 192. Divide by 32. So let's see here. 192 divided by 32 is 6. So x equals 6. And let's put it back in here to find these missing angles. So put that 6 there. 7 times 6. And then plus that 2 is 44. So we got 44 here, which means this is 44. All right, so that's a 4. 44, 44, which makes these add up to 180, which means that this one down here is going to be 136, 136. You could have also plugged that 6 in right there and gotten 136 and done it the other direction. Angle J was 44. Angle K was 44. Angle L, 136. And angle M, 136. Okay. Number 10. Isosceles trapezoid. Let's see here. EH, where's EH? EH is this one. FG is this one. So those are the same as each other, right? Actually, you know what I'm going to do? No, let's go ahead. FG is this one. EH is this one. EG, let's hold off on these next two because they have a Y in them, but I know that these are equal to each other, so let's start with that. 4x minus 27 equals x plus 9. They're equal because they're the opposite sides, and it's isosceles. So 4x minus 20, so we're going to subtract x. 3x minus 27 equals 9. Add 27 to both sides. We get 3x equals 36. Divide by 3, and x is 12. All right, now let's see. EG is a diagonal. FH is a diagonal. Well, the diagonals in an isosceles trapezoid are equal, so that means these are also equal. Plus 19 equals 11y minus 21. I'm going to subtract 3y. And I'll go ahead and skip a step here and just, if I'm subtracting 3y from this side, I'm going to add 21. All right, so let's see here. I got 11 minus 3. Let's be 11. It'll be 8y. That's a 19. 19 plus 21 would be 40. So y is 5. I did all that math in my head. Hopefully I did not make any mistakes. If I did, I apologize. Feel free to leave that correction in the comments or just tell me if you know me. All right, let's see here. 11, 12, 14, and 15 are all we got left. So 11, just find this mid-segment. So find the mid-segment, add the bases, divide by 2. So 27 plus 39 divide by 2 is that mid-segment. So let's see here. 27 plus 39 is 66. Divided by 2 is 33. So WX equals 33. Listen, all right, so add the two bases, divide by 2. We don't know this base. I'm going to put an x. So x plus 29 divided by 2 equals the mid-segment. Multiply both sides by 2. Those cancel. X plus 29 equals 44. Subtract 29. I get x equals 44 minus 29 is 15. So AB, 15. Okay. All right, 2 questions left. All right, same exact thing. The two bases added together, divide by 2 equals the mid-segment. So one base is 5x plus 1. The other base is 19. I'm going to divide that by 2, and it's going to equal 9x minus 3, which is the mid-segment. I'll multiply both sides by 2. This side over here, I'm going to have to distribute that 2, so I get 18x minus 6. Over here, the 2's cancel, right? So I get 5x plus 1 plus 19. I'm just going to combine the terms that are alike, though, so I don't have to write so many things. 5x plus 20, right? Plus 1 and plus 19 is just plus 20. Subtract my 5x from both sides. And then I'll go ahead and add my 6 to both sides. And I get 26 here. 18 minus 5, 13. Divide both sides by 13. X equals 26 divided by 13 is just 2, isn't it? Yeah. And so x is 2, but then it says find GH is this one. So 9 times 2 minus 3. 18 minus 3, 15. GH is 15. All right, and I think I got just one left, right? Number 15? Yep, that's it. Number 15. Oops, number 15. Same setup, though. The two bases, right? Two bases added together. 2x plus 15 plus 6x minus 37. Add them together, divide by 2, equals the mid-segment, 3x plus 5. I'll start by multiplying both sides times 2. This side I'll have to distribute that 2, so I get 6x plus 10. Over here, the 2's cancel, so they're gone, but I will combine my like terms on the top. The 2x and the 6x is just like saying 8x. The positive 15 and the negative 37, negative 22. Okay, I'm going to subtract my 6x, add that 22. It should work out pretty good. 8 minus 6 is 2x. That's 0. That's 0. 10 plus 22 is 32. Divide by 2, x is 16. But then we have to find RS, which is this one. 2 times 16 plus 15. That'd be 2 times 16 is 32. 32 plus 15 is 47. So we get 47 for the final answer for question number 15, and that is the completion of this homework as quickly as possible. And if you have any questions, rewatch. If I made any mistakes, tell me in the comments or just tell me in person. And if you really have any questions beyond that, just come talk to me. I'll help you out.